to fit plinth blocks and rosettes. Plinth blocks and rosettes can be used as a design feature or to make fitting architrave much easier by reducing the amount of angled cuts. Set your set square to 5mm and mark guidance lines around the edge of the door frame. When ordering plinth blocks, make sure you order 10mm in size above the width of the architrave. This basically means that when you put your plinth block flush with the door frame, the 5mm marking where you fit the architrave should centralise the architrave when fitted, as there should be 5mm on either side of the architrave. To begin, we need to fit the first plinth block. Here we are using the adhesive and nail gun to fix the plinth block to the wall. However, you might be using a different method to do this. Again, make sure it's flush with the door frame itself. Here we're just showing that the measurement is 5mm in of the marked line. Make sure it's neatly in place just before we fix it to the wall. And again, we're just showing how it fits central on the plinth block. The next step is to fit the rosette. First of all, we need to extend the door frame as lines as guidance. So using a pencil and a set square, follow the header and the side piece and draw a line where they intersect. This gives us a more accurate guidance for fitting the rosette. Again, using adhesive. Some walls may not be flush and there may be some debris. If you can pick it away easily, then do this, as it will make fitting the plinth block easier. Again, using adhesive and a nail gun, we will fix this rosette in place. Clearing the debris makes fitting the rosette easier. Third step, we'll fit the opposite rosette. So on the other side, again, clear any debris if you can. Mark out the lines as we've already done. And then fix using adhesive or nail gun. Here we're just chipping away at the plaster to try and make it a bit more smoother. These are some of the problems you may face. Again, using adhesive and a nail gun, I'm going to pop a bit on the back and then nail it into place. After that's fixed, we then need to start fitting the architrave. If we take the measurement between the plinth block and the rosette, and then take our first piece of architrave over to the miter saw, trim off the edge in case there's any bumps or marks, measure out what the height of the architrave that we just found out and mark that onto the board. Cut the architrave down to the right size and then hold it up to the wall to make sure that it fits correctly. We need to make sure that it's on the 5mm guidance lines so that the architrave will sit in the middle of the plinth blocks and rosettes. Once you're happy, fix into position. Next step, we measure the distance between the two rosettes and repeat the same process we've just done. We take this outside to the miter saw, trim off the end, place the architrave, place the measurement on the architrave, ready to be cut. Make the cut. Again, place this up against the 5mm line, making sure it's in the middle of the rosettes. And when you're happy, you can fix into place. Then we need to fit the last plinth block. Again, fit this flush with the door frame. Use the method of your choice for fixing it. Again, clean off any additional plaster or paint which may have been left behind after removal. And speed this up now, making sure and for the very last piece, you just need to measure from the plinth block to the rosette. Again, similar to the other side. take this measurement outside your architrave, tidy the end of your board, then plot this measurement onto the architrave itself, and then make the cut to cut it down to the correct size. If you don't own a miter saw, then you can use a miter box to do this and a handsaw. Okay, put the vinyl piece up to the 5mm guidance line. Hold in position, make sure it's centre of the rosette and centre of the plinth block, and then fix into place. And once this piece is fitted, that's the final step, and you've now got plinth blocks and rosettes fitted.